Welcome to the new episode of Tech News. Lenovo Legion Y700 of the 2023 model year is presented. The gadget boasts not only a high-performance processor and a large amount of memory, but also an original design with an end-to-end power function, as well as a display with high color accuracy. The novelty received an IPS display with a diagonal of 8.8 inches, with a resolution of 2560 x 1600 pixels, which is equal to 343 pixels per inch, a refresh rate of 144 Hz, brightness up to 500 candelas per square meter, and coverage of 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamma. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor is responsible for performance of the tablet in combination with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. The hard drive, depending on the configuration, will be 256 or 512 GB. The list of characteristics is complemented by a battery with a capacity of 6,550 mAh, with support for 45-watt fast-charging technology and the ability to work directly from the power supply to extend battery life. In addition, the gadget received two USB Type-C ports, which allows to use wired headphones simultaneously with charging the device. The tablet is equipped with two cameras, the main one with a 13-megapixel sensor and an 8-megapixel front camera. Lenovo Legion Y700 is packed in a metal case with a thickness of 7.6 millimeters and a weight of 348 grams. The device is running on Android 13 with a user interface ZUI 15.0. The price of the novelty in China is $333 for a version of 12 and 256 gigabytes, $361 for a modification of 12 and 512 gigabytes, and $389 for a version of 16 and 512 gigabytes. Sony has introduced the flagship wireless headphones WF-1000XM5. The novelty is positioned as an accessory with high sound quality and an effective noise reduction function. At the same time, the headset has become smaller and lighter than the previous model while maintaining the same retail price. Each of the headphones weighs 5.9 grams and is equipped with proprietary dynamic drivers with a diameter of 8.4 millimeters, made of composite material. Their construction is designed for efficient reproduction of low frequencies. Among the advantages of the headset, the company also highlights an advanced active noise reduction system based on the Sony QN2E processor and 6 microphones. Sony VE2 audio chip is responsible for playback with support for LDAC, SBC, AAC, and LC3 codecs, as well as DSE Extreme technology to improve audio quality. The headphones are able to adjust the nature of the sound, depending on the position of the user's head, and respond to its movements. For example, reject or accept a call by turning or nodding, respectively. In addition, the company claims to have an advanced transparency mode, support for Google Fast Pair, and automatic suspension of music if the user starts talking out loud. The autonomy of the headset with ANC is up to 8 hours and up to 12 hours without noise reduction. There is a fast charging function when 3 minutes of charging in the case is enough for an hour of work in playback mode. Sony WF-1000XM5 will go on sale on the official website of the brand in the USA on July 26th at a price of $299.